Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the cyclic quadrilateral, a four-sided shape with all four vertices sitting on a circle. By the end of this, you'll know the opposite angles sum to 180 rule and exactly when to apply it. Definition. A cyclic quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon with all four vertices lying on the circumference of a circle. The vertices are sometimes called concyclic. The key property: opposite vertices have angles that sum to 180 degrees. Key insight: the opposite angles add to 180. Top vertex plus bottom vertex equals 180. Left vertex plus right vertex equals 180. Two opposite pairs, two 180 sums. The adjacent angles are not related by this rule, only the opposite ones. Common mistake: don't apply the 180-degree rule to adjacent angles. Those are angles next to each other in the polygon, not across from each other. The rule only works for vertices directly opposite. Mark them on your diagram before applying. Quick example: a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, angle A equals 80 degrees, angle C, which is opposite A, equals 100. Because 80 plus 100 is 180. And the other pair, angle B plus angle D, equals 180. So if angle B equals 70, angle D equals 110.